Take a second to catch your breath. We're fading now. Slip away every chance we get. You feel so far from me. I'm lost without your love. You're just so hard to please. I'm lost without your touch, without your touch. You pull me from underwater when I was falling apart. I was lost from the start, but you'd hold me in the dark. You'd hold me in the dark. But you'd hold me in the dark. You'd hold me in the dark. When I was falling apart, I was lost from the start, but you'd hold me in the dark. I'm lost without your love. You're just so hard to please. I'm lost without your touch, without your touch. You pull me from underwater when I was falling apart. You pull me from underwater when I was falling apart. I was lost from the start, but you'd hold me in the dark. You'd hold me in the dark. But you'd hold me in the dark.
All right, let's open up the HD digital streaming rearview mirror kit for the refreshed Tesla Model 3. Inside the box, you'll find the streaming rearview mirror, a rear camera extension cable, a power harness, the mirror mounting bracket, and the front camera. Rear view camera. That's everything included, so let's get started with the install. First, pry open the factory mirror bracket cover. Then rotate the factory rear view mirror to remove it and disconnect the plug. Release the clips on the factory bracket cover, remove the mounting screw, and take out the original bracket spacer. Now grab the streaming rear view mirror, the front camera, and the new mounting bracket. Remove the screw from the streaming mirror and install the mounting bracket onto the mirror. Then tighten the screw to secure it. Next, route the 3 wiring harnesses from the mirror through the bracket opening. The third wire for the rear camera power will need the connector temporarily removed so it can pass through the bracket, then reconnect it afterward. Loosen the bracket mounting screw again. Install the factory spacer onto the new bracket and tighten the mounting screw back down. Pry open the top mirror cover and feed the 3 wires through the opening so they can be tucked into the headliner. Once the wiring is routed, reinstall the mirror cover. Now mount the streaming mirror by aligning it with the bracket and twisting it firmly into place. Reinstall the mirror bracket cover. Tuck 2 of the wires neatly into the headliner, leaving the yellow front camera cable accessible. Connect it to the front camera harness, then hide the wiring neatly. Position the front camera where you want it. Peel the adhesive backing and press it firmly into place. Next, grab the power harness. Remove the passenger side door seal. Take off the triangle trim panel and remove the clips. Then, remove the door sill trim. Plug one end of the power harness into the factory connector. Then disconnect the factory plug and connect the harness inline. Remove the A-pillar trim and route the other end of the power cable past the airbag area up to the mirror. Connect the power harness to the mirror wiring. Once connected, the streaming mirror should power on. Now take the rear camera extension cable and route it the same way past the airbag toward the mirror area, connecting it to the rear camera harness from the mirror. Tuck all the wiring into the headliner and reinstall the A-pillar trim. Hide the remaining wiring inside the door seal area. Tidy up the passenger side cables. Then reinstall the door sill trim. Clips, triangle panel, and door seal. Next, route the rear camera extension cable along the door seal toward the rear seat area. Remove the C-pillar trim. Open the trunk side panel and disconnect the taillight plug. Use a wire puller to feed the extension cable into the trunk area. Then reinstall the C-pillar trim. Route the cable along the inside of the trunk side panel toward the rear hatch area. And disconnect the extension cable plug temporarily. Use a wire puller to guide the cable through the rubber boot from the trunk into the tailgate. Reinstall the rubber boot and its retaining clips once the cable is through. Then reconnect the extension cable plug. Now remove the tailgate interior trim panel. Disconnect the connectors. Remove the tailgate handle trim. And unplug the black connector. Remove the 2 screws near the red connector and carefully remove the factory rear camera. Important, do not unplug the red connector. Remove the factory tailgate handle piece and install it onto the new rear camera assembly. Take the 2 mounting clips for the new camera. Align the camera with the mounting holes. Tighten the 2 screws. And reconnect the black plug. Route the rear camera power cable into the tailgate and secure the camera in place. Finally, connect the rear camera cable to the rear camera extension cable. Tuck any extra wiring neatly inside the tailgate. Reconnect the plugs and reinstall the tailgate trim panel. And that's it. Your HD digital streaming rearview mirror system is fully installed and ready to use.